Hello, good afternoon, good day. Welcome to this video on how to verify your TikTok business account, especially for those that run businesses and want to run ads and all that. Recently, about 4 days ago, TikTok released an information which I like to read out to maybe a lot of people must have seen it and they have verified themselves. Um, in 30 days, all non-verified TikTok business account will be converted back to personal account. Remember that if you don't use TikTok business accounts, you cannot be able to run ads on TikTok for vendors and a lot of people that run verified business accounts allow brands and business to manage their online presence, increase engagement, and grow their audience through ads. So I saw this notification about 4 days ago. So, but then I remember that in Instagram, there is nothing of this, there's nothing like this feature because in Instagram, you just have to create an account, then convert it from personal to whether business or create an account, which is what we have been doing before in TikTok. But recently, about 4 days now, 4 days ago, they said that for you to use a TikTok business account, that you must have to verify the business account. So, the credentials that we are using for Nigeria, yeah, is our CSC certificate. Either you run a either you're using the limited liability certificate or you're using the business name certificate. So me, I'll be using my business name certificate for that. So is so preferably it is better off to use the laptop to or use my TikTok account as you can see. So this is a business verification. Yeah. Me is staying in Nigeria, so at this married. So I'll verify uh some of the dots and I'll be giving you a step by step this is how I did it. So you need to get a corporate affairs commission certificate here in Nigeria. If you're a Nigerian account, you need a CSC certificate. This SMEDAN certificate and all that does not work for this. So this will have to lead to so many vendors being able to register their businesses. So I'll just have to keep because I have a website, but I don't really want to use a website. So I just because it's optional, I just give it that this is my mobile number. I don't have any audience restriction. So depending on the kind of if there's a if you guys offer financial services or you sell alcohol, dealing in alcohol, things and all that, can be able to select any of that. But I don't do any of that, so I'll select not applicable. So I'll click on next. So verify your business, check the accepted document types, certificate of incorporation or registration, extracts from commercial register, NGO constitution. So our CC certificate falls under this first this thing, this first one. So which is the one I'll be using. So I'll have to this is my CAC business certificate. So I have to wait for it to load. So I have to type the name of the certificate, type the certificate number, and I'll be able to submit this. So this is a very easy step on how to go about it. So So I'll type in my business name. Uh, I'll also be typing my business license ID. I think the business license ID refers to the business and registration number. I also have to I just have to go to my sorry, just have to go so I'll click on next. You also submit a lot of different images, but I prefer to submit only my CSC certificate for it is. So so I can select SMS for me to receive system error, voice call, system error. So I have to skip it and click on submit. This is it. The other business name. This is my business name. This is control. This is the phone number. This is the business license ID. There are no restrictions, nothing. So I'll click on submit. So I have to wait for about 3 days or less than to receive a notification from them whether it was successful or not. So this is how to do it. Once you're able to do it. So the registration is under review. The notify user once the review is complete. So this is everything on how to verify your TikTok business account. So that you can be able to continue to add ads or any other thing if you use also we have to set up TikTok ads using TikTok Business Manager. That has Instagram ads also using Meta Business Suite and all that. You can contact us. Show have various links on our YouTube channel. So you can also watch some other videos on our YouTube channel. That